Hello students, welcome back to my channel NJ Math World. Today I am here to explain you first semester BCA May June question paper 2022. Question number 18 part B. If A is 2 minus 1 minus 1 2, find A cube using Cayley Hamilton theorem. So they have given here A is 2 minus 1 and 2. So we know that every square matrix matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation characteristic characteristic equation. The characteristic equation the characteristic equation of A is determinant of A minus lambda I. So here what is determinant of A minus lambda I? A is 2 minus 1 minus 1 2 minus lambda I is 1 0 0 1 equals 0. So here 2 minus 1 2 minus lambda 0 0 lambda equals 0. So now writing this first term with first one, we get 2 minus lambda minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 minus 0 2 minus lambda equals 0. Now to simplify this, cross multiply with the principal diagonal elements, that will be 2 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda minus of minus into minus will become plus 1 1 is only 1 equals 0. So first term second bracket, second term second bracket, minus 1 equals 0. So 2 is equals to 0. So yeah, 2 into 2 is 4, minus into lambda is 2 lambda, minus 2 into lambda is minus 2 lambda, minus into minus become plus, lambda into lambda is lambda square, minus 1 is 0. So rearranging in order, we get lambda square minus 4 lambda minus plus 4 minus 1 will be plus 3 equals 0. So this is the required characteristic equation. So now here we have lambda square minus 4 4 lambda plus 3 I equals 0. So now substituting lambda is equals to A. So we get A square minus 4 A plus 3 I equals 0. So now let us take it as A square equals minus, shift this, it will become minus, will become plus, and plus will become minus. So call this as equation 1. Then multiplying equation 1 with A. So here it will be A cube is equals to 4A into A is 4A square minus 3AI. Now call this as 2. Substituting equation 1 in equation 2. Equation 1 in equation 2, we get A cube equals 4 into 4A minus 3I minus 3A into I is A itself. So it will be 4 into 4 4 into 4 will be 16a minus 4 into 3 is 12I minus 3a. So 16 minus 3 is 13a minus 12I. So this is your a cube value what we have found. Okay. Now to find a cube, to find a cube equals 13a minus 12I. If you have to simplify this to get the value of a cube. So a cube will be 13 into a is 2 minus 1 and 2 minus 12. I will be 1001. So yeah, we can apply for 13 into 2 is 26 minus 13 into 1 is 13 minus 13 26. So here 12 into 1 is 12 0 0 12. So yeah, you are checking for a cube. A cube will be 26 minus 12, 26 minus 12, 13 minus 0 is 13, then it is like 13, 26 minus 12 is 26 minus 12. So a cube will be 14 minus 13 minus 13 and 14. Hope you people understood and followed what I've explained. If you like my channel, like, subscribe, and share. And you can follow my channel for update